Have you wondered what it takes to monetize your ideas? Have you been thinking about how do I get paid for everything I know? And what about this? Getting paid and profiting from your challenges. I'm Grace Covington. I facilitate women entrepreneurs and creatives to create a thriving and sustainable business online while you are generating repeatable revenue with ease. I watched an amazing video by Sorrel Amore, and she talked about this idea about monetizing your ideas. And I wanted to add to that conversation because this is a powerful conversation, especially if you're looking to create a business, especially if you're struggling right now and you're wondering, how do I grow my business? How can I generate more with ease? So watch this video to the end. So the question that I get the most often is, Grace, I have all of these ideas. I have so many ideas, but I don't know where to begin. I start to doubt myself. I get confused. So I'm going to give you a simple tool that you can use that really streamlines this and allows you to create and monetize with ease. So the first thing you need to do is get out a sheet of paper. And on your sheet of paper, you are going to have 3 categories. Category 1 is going to be labeled now. Category 2 is going to be labeled future. And category 3 is going to be begin. So what you're going to do is write down all of the ideas that you have. So I recommend doing this every day. Anytime you get an idea, write it down. And once you have a list of all of your ideas, you're going to go through the list and begin to put all of your ideas into these 3 buckets that I gave you. Now, I don't want you to overthink this. This is a simple and easy process. All you're doing is just asking yourself a question and then moving that idea into one of those buckets. So as you go through your list, you are going to first, I go through the list and pull out everything that you think is a future creation. So a future creation is something that you're not going to create right now, but really for the future. So just tap into that energy. What is a future creation? So you're going to take all those things that ping as this is a future creation, and then you're going to put it in the future bucket. And then as you look at your list, what is left? Then you're going to go through, what is a now item? What is an idea that I can create now? Then you're going to list all of those ideas in the now category. So after you've done that, then you're going to go to the now category, and then you're going to ask that same question. This time you're only picking out 1 to 2 things. So you're gonna ask yourself the question, what can I begin right away? What can I begin immediately? So you're gonna pick those 2 things. And then from there, you put those 2 things in the begin bucket. And then that's where you begin to create from. So I said, 2 items, you can scale it back to 1 to make it easy while you're practicing this. But the more you do this, the easier it begins to start to monetize and create. So another big area people get stuck in is once they have identified this list, they start to immediately go into doubt. So I don't know if I can make money from this. There are too many people that are already creating this. I don't know if anyone's going to be interested. The moment you go into doubt is when you kill your creation. Doubt is a destroyer. Judgment is a destroyer. So let go of all of that doubt. Let go of all of those judgments. Money is here to support you. You have to be willing to receive money and create spaces for you to receive money. So the more ideas you start to actually create, money is going to find you through that way. So profiting from your challenges. I love this one. I struggled showing up on video. When I initially, came on the online space, didn't want to show up on video. I was terrified. I was petrified. I was scared. I didn't think I was good enough. I didn't think anyone would be interested. So I knew that in order to really shift and change things. I had to do something different. So I challenged myself and said, I'm going to do this 5-day challenge on my own. I'm going to face my fears. I'm going to show up authentically. I'm going to show up with no makeup. I'm going to show up without a script. So each day I would have a plan of action and I would practice. Then I would post these videos out there in the online space. And, sometimes I would cringe and like, oh my God, this person's going to watch it. Oh my God. All those fears and anxieties would come up. And as I noticed, as I went through the challenge, things became easier. And then I started inviting people into this free challenge. And then from there, people were receiving so much change and people taking leaps and bounds, like women were really stepping up in their lives. Then I started to turn it into a course and started to generate money from that course, and more people started signing up and I started receiving more. And it just became this gift in my life that I could turn a challenge into a possibility, into something I could monetize, into something that would contribute to so many women on this planet. And so that's a space where I am asking you to look in your life today. Look at the challenges that you currently have in your life, and then begin to look at how can I profit from this? What can I create that would generate more and contribute to so many people on the planet, and begin to take those steps. So if you're struggling with money, look at how you can change it, and then you could create a course from that. So there's so many ways that you can begin to monetize your ideas. This is a big topic. I am actually going to have a follow-up video to this because so many people are always asking me questions about this, and I want to give you these tools. I want to give you these resources so you are taking action right away. And if you're interested in that 5-day challenge, I'm going to have that in the description of this video so you can go and start that challenge. That challenge changed my business. That challenge created this leap in my life where I had the confidence to show up in the world with my ideas, not caring what anyone would say or the judgment that I would receive. So I highly recommend that challenge. And after this, I want you to listen to my latest podcast that I will also have in the description. It's about creating a life and business with ease, creating your life, creating your business with ease. If you liked this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and don't forget to turn on your alerts so you know when I am posting a new video so you can receive these diamonds that are going to change and transform your life.